Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to solve 25 important MCQs from the topic Algorithms and Flowchart. These questions are great for beginners and perfect for daily practice. And yes, we also have a complete question bank with over 4,000 plus MCQs, covering the entire OPSC Assistant Industries Officer syllabus. Let's get started and improve your preparation. What is an algorithm? A software. B, a hardware device. C, a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. D, a type of flowchart. Correct answer? C, a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. What is the first step in writing an algorithm? A, start coding. B, define the input and output. C, draw a flowchart. D, compile the program. Correct answer? B, define the input and output. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a good algorithm? A, finite number of steps. B, clearly defined inputs and outputs. C, complicated steps. D, unambiguous instructions. Correct answer? C, complicated steps. What is a flowchart? A programming language. B, a graphical representation of an algorithm. C, a type of computer. D, a text document. Correct answer? B, a graphical representation of an algorithm. Which symbol is used to represent a decision in a flowchart? A, rectangle. B, oval. C, diamond. D, parallelogram. Correct answer? C, diamond. Which symbol is used to represent the start or end in a flowchart? A, rectangle. B, diamond. C, oval. D, parallelogram. Correct answer? C, oval. In a flowchart, which symbol is used for input or output operations? A, diamond. B, rectangle. C, oval. D, parallelogram. Correct answer? D, parallelogram. Which symbol is used to represent a process or operation in a flowchart? A, diamond. B, rectangle. C, oval. D, circle. Correct answer? B, rectangle. What is the purpose of a flowchart in problem solving? A, to create a database. B, to show the hardware. C, to visually represent the steps of a solution. D, to draw circuit diagrams. Correct answer? C, to visually represent the steps of a solution. Which of the following is not a use of a flowchart? A, debugging a program. B, designing a solution. C, writing paragraphs. D, explaining logic. Correct answer? C, writing paragraphs. Which of the following best describes an algorithm? A, a random set of instructions. B, a programming language. C, a step-by-step solution to a problem. D, a type of flowchart symbol. Correct answer? C, a step-by-step solution to a problem. Which flowchart symbol is used to connect different parts of a flowchart? A, connector. B, arrow. C, rectangle. D, oval. Correct answer? A, connector. In an algorithm, what must happen after each step is completed? A, program should stop. B, user should restart. C, next step should begin. D, input should be changed. Correct answer? C, next step should begin. What makes an algorithm effective? A, it is long and complex. B, it has vague instructions. C, it finishes in infinite steps. D, it is clear, finite, and unambiguous. Correct answer? D, it is clear, finite, and unambiguous. What is the main difference between a flowchart and an algorithm? A, flowchart is always longer. B, algorithm is visual. Flowchart is not. C, flowchart is graphical. Algorithm is written. D, they are exactly the same. Correct answer? C, flowchart is graphical. Algorithm is written. What does a diamond symbol represent in a flowchart? A, input or output. B, start or end. C, decision. D, processing. Correct answer? C, decision. Which of the following is a key feature of a good flowchart? A, uses many symbols. B, confuses the user. C, has clear logic and sequence. D, ignores direction. Correct answer? C, has clear logic and sequence. In algorithms, which of the following must be true? A, it must repeat forever. B, It must contain graphics. C. It must have a definite end. D. It must be written in C. Correct answer? C. It must have a definite end. What does an arrow in a flowchart indicate? Start of the chart. B. End of the chart. C. Direction of flow. D. Input data. Correct answer? C. Direction of flow. Algorithms are mainly used in which of the following fields? A. Cooking only. B. Fashion designing. C. Problem solving and computing. D. Singing and music. Correct answer. C. Problem solving and computing. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a good algorithm? A. Finiteness. B. Ambiguity. C. Definiteness. D. Input and output. Correct answer. B. Ambiguity. Which flowchart symbol represents a manual operation? A. Trapezoid. B. Rectangle. C. Oval. D. Circle. Correct answer. A. Trapezoid. How do algorithms and flowcharts complement each other? A. Algorithms are slow, flowcharts are fast. B. Algorithms are written steps. Flowcharts show those steps graphically. C. Flowcharts replace algorithms. D. They don't relate. Correct answer? B. Algorithms are written steps. Flowcharts show those steps graphically. What should be the direction of flow in a flowchart? A. Random. B. From right to left. C. From top to bottom or left to right. D. From bottom to top. Correct answer. C. From top to bottom or left to right. Why are flowcharts useful in programming? A. They replace code. B. They help visualize logic before coding. C. They increase errors. D. They make programs slower. Correct answer. B. They help visualize logic before coding. Well done. You've just completed 25 smart questions. Keep practicing like this and your confidence will grow every day. Don't forget, our 4,000 plus MCQ question bank covers